Today's Wednesday. We're doing ribs. We're doing baby back ribs. We're doing baby back ribs in gravy. Now that's a rib of a different color. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every day. Yeah, today's Wednesday. We're gonna throw this quick ribs and gravy together, the baby back ribs and gravy. This doesn't really take long. It sounds complicated, but it really only takes about an hour, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours total if you count prep time. So we're just gonna cut these ribs up. And you know what our seasoning is? We're just going in with some salt and pepper. Sometimes you can make things too complicated on your palate with too much seasoning. Going in with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Lowry's, MSG, this, that, and the other. Yeah, it gets super flavorful, but sometimes you just need to mute it. Keep it simple, right? What's that? Keep it simple, stupid? Yeah, just keep it simple. Salt, pepper, flip them over, salt, pepper. Let's give these a quick massage. Get that salt and pepper everywhere we can get it. Okay, so we're gonna brown our ribs up here. We just got some vegetable oil. We're gonna brown these up on all sides. This doesn't take long. It took me about 5 minutes to brown these up. So right now we've cut the ribs up. We've seasoned the ribs. We're browning the ribs. And then we're gonna braise the ribs. All right, so now we're gonna just get our celery. Just break them off, put it in there. You don't have to do any chopping here. Just get that in there. We just want to get the flavor out. And with our onions. And then we're taking some hot water. Gonna dissolve our better than billion. Also, we can speed the process up a little bit. If you put cold water, you gotta wait for that to heat up and then start the steaming process. Just kind of, we get started right away. Go in with the better than billion. And then we're gonna close this bad baby up. So we're gonna cook this for about an hour, hour 15, hour and a half. At 375. All right, so we got some potatoes here. That's our side for today. And we're gonna be putting them in the air fryer. I'm starting to really like that air fryer. Just bought it, I haven't had it that long. Let's start doing some videos on air fryer this and air fryer that. Right now it's just like a pot for me, it's just another tool. So in with some olive oil, our black pepper. I'm gonna hit it up with some salt. And then our complete seasoning, and that's it. We're gonna give that a quick toss. And that's ready for the air fryer. Guys, I forgot to hit record. So, you know, oil is like, you can do a quarter cup of oil, even equal amounts of flour. You know, I usually do it by hand, by feel. But, you know, in we go with our onions and our bell pepper. I'm gonna give that a quick stir. Let that soften up just a little bit. So we're going in with our salt and then our pepper. You know, guys, when you make this amount of gravy, save it. Don't throw this away. You know, later in the week, if you want to have something with gravy, or you just want to pour some gravy on top of a chicken, or maybe some pork chops. Maybe you make some mashed potatoes. You want to put gravy on top. Make your life easy. Even if you make some gravy on Sunday, just save it. All right, and with our Lowry's, and of course, our Better Than Billion. 1 tablespoon. All right, we're gonna let that all come together. Now, before I started using the Better Than Billion, I would definitely use turkey stock, chicken stock, beef stock. But that Better Than Billion, let me tell you guys, that is good. You see that a lot on this videos I make. All right, guys, this is our end result after about an hour and a half. Now, these are done. They're ready to eat right now. They would probably be good right here, but of course we're gonna put them in our gravy. Hey guys, these are just pull away tender. You should be able to bite these and it comes right off the bone without it falling apart. Okay, ribs into the gravy. Now guys, let me ask you this. Are you eating this with a knife and fork, or are you picking this up with your hands? It's gonna have gravy on it. I don't know, that's a good question. Let me know what you do. Comment down in the bottom. Guys, please like and subscribe. Let's blow this video up. All right, and with a little bit of that braising liquid, just a little bit more flavor. Give that a little stir. We're gonna let this just come up to a boil just a little bit, because we just added liquid, so we want this to thicken up a little bit more. Guys, there we go. Got the little bubbles going. So that gravy's right. All right, it's time to plate. That's rib number 1. Yeah. Guys, this came out good. This was really good. And with our air fryer potatoes. Then the air fryer does its thing. Definitely something to work with. Of course, we got to go in with some extra gravy. Make sure we get some of them onions and peppers on top of there. All right, it's time for the flyover. We got our air fryer potatoes. We got our meat. We got meat and potatoes. We got baby back ribs. We got gravy, onions, peppers. Wednesday night. Guys, this is so good. You gotta try this one. It's ribs. Ribs done a different way. Ribs and gravy. Please like, subscribe. Every day cooking, dad cooking every day.